Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can contact TokenPocket by email. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to contact TokenPocket by email or via any of other options, you need to first of all open your TokenPocket app. Once you open it, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on the account section, the bottom right hand side, and tap on the about us. Once you have done this, you will end up in this page where you can find the email option right over there. Simply tap on it, which will redirect you to the mailing site, and now here you can type in any of the queries that you want to connect TokenPocket with, any of the suggestions you want to give them, or you can even chat with them for any kind of help you need while you are using the TokenPocket app. So this is how you contact TokenPocket via email. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.